I saw yesterday was moose drop. Oh, there it is. Moose dropping out of the lake.
Ooh. There's nothing like some good old moose droppings.
Look, it's really close to us.
Yeah, there's the moose droppings.
Do you think it's a baby or not?
I don't know. Looks smaller. So maybe it's like a baby that's on its way to becoming a full-grown adult.
I think its mom ran away because it was getting older.
That does happen. There you are, Moose.
I think that's sad, but I get it.
Well, but they're also trying to make them become independent.
Yeah.
I think it's sad too, though. Hi, Moose. Oh, what'd you hear? What is it? You stopped and you're looking over. Oh, I think it's the dog across the lake. You're cool. You can take him. He's probably on a leash anyway. Alright, bye, Moose. Gotta go back to making breakfast.